Hi there, this is Kai. I have here a 2007 Toyota Camry SE. Well, it's a good car though, but you know, I have some issues about the rattling sound of the interior. So that is, I found out that this part of the car, the front part that has a clock that rattle, you know, when it goes on a bumpy road, especially, you know, between the concrete, you know, the section, that section is kind of really tough on the car, so it rattles. So I found out that there's gap, you know, between this space here. So I bought this insulation, the sponge rubber weather strip. You can buy it from anywhere, like you know, we bought it from the Home Depot. So at first I bought the small one, but it didn't seem to fit. So I mean, nicely, I mean, there are more space, so I bought this a larger one. So what I did is I cut into pieces. I measured, you know, the sections underneath it, and then as you can see, this part has, you know, this part is good, like, because it goes between the gap. You see how high the gap is, and it's not very consistent, you see. Now of course there's edges between that, but it's okay, it's sticky enough to, you know, to fill in the gap and to stick it there. And this part I have to measure it, like, you know, you see there's sections and sections, so I have to measure it and then cut into pieces, and then let's see what's it's gonna do. And as you can see that I put that thinner one between those gaps, you know, along the lines, and let's see whether if it's okay or not. I went testing, but I think I need to do something better than that, you know. So maybe a bigger, about just sponge will do it. Okay, I try to do it, and then let's see, I'll follow up for you. Okay,